Most young people have heard of 5 a day keeps the doctors away. But how many young people do you think have heard of 60 minutes a day keeps the doctors away? This is the amount of moderate to vigorous physical activity young people are advised to do every day to be healthy. Some examples of moderate physical activity include household chores, gardening, or going for a walk. Some examples of vigorous physical activity include lifting heavy objects, using an exercise machine, or playing ball sports. Unfortunately, the amount of young people meeting these guidelines declines dramatically during adolescence. What I'm interested in is whether the decline differs depending on how affluent someone is. To go about understanding this, I started off by looking at the existing research. But I wasn't just interested in any research. I was interested in the research that gave young people a voice. After all, they're the experts here. What I found was most young people talk about the same things when it comes to being active. That is, the support they have, their access to the environment and facilities, their other behaviours, their knowledge of health, and whether they're male or female. But how they discuss these topics differed depending on how affluent they are. For example, more deprived adolescents talked about how they didn't have access to facilities in their local environment, whereas this was the complete opposite for more affluent adolescents who had a variety of local facilities that they could access. And whilst this was all really interesting, the world's changed a lot since this research was conducted. And what I'm now interested in is how the pandemic has affected how active young people are. And I'm currently recruiting adolescents to talk to about their experiences of physical activity during COVID-19. I'm now in the final year of my PhD studentship, and going forward, I want to help public health professionals and policymakers develop effective strategies to help all adolescents become more active. I hope to do this by pinpointing where, in current strategies, inequalities might occur. Thank you.